These are my peripherals of choice. An Apple Magic keyboard, which is slim and helps me type faster, but when it comes to the feel and ergonomics, they're just not there. Also, I don't use this numpad at all. The second one is a mechanical keyboard from Royal Kludge, RK84. The mouse, Logitech MX Master 3, which never changes, because it's the GOAT. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Aqib. I make content on tech and lifestyle, so if you're into that, consider subscribing. Now, let's get back to the topic. I absolutely love typing on my mechanical keyboard, like so much that I take it with me to the office. But it's a little thick, and now since everyone is coming back to the offices, when I'm in my zone, writing an email, chatting with teammates, or writing a document, it can be a little annoying. You know what I mean? And that led me on a search for a new keyboard. And I think I found the perfect amalgamation of not so thick and silent keyboard. A low profile mechanical keyboard from my trusty choice, Royal Kludge. Presenting RK N80, a keyboard that looks futuristic with the knob that is not just a display, but featureful, like switching between modes, devices, looking at the clock, adjusting brightness or sound, and many more. Let me be honest, it's not light by any means, but it's compact enough to be carried with you. The key colors are subtle and elegant. The tactile feedback and sound from the keys is great, and typing on this thing is so satisfying. Let's hear it. In my opinion, it's a great choice for the features, quality, and look of keyboard you get for the price. You can pick this up from Walmart or Amazon at great prices. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, make sure you hit the like button, share this video with all of your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe.